Tabrito in conversation with the amazing team of Nikita Roy. Hello, how are you?
Good, we're good. How are you?
Very good. और आज जैसे मैंने आपको मिली, मैंने ट्रेलर देखा वापस और कमेंट्स भी पढ़े. So all positive comments. So you have rocked it.
Yes.
How does that feel when people appreciate your hard work finally, audiences, because उसके लिए आप काम कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए आप काम कर रहे हैं.
Feels amazing. I mean, ये in fact बहुत सालों बाद मेरी फिल्म थिएटर में आ रही है and जब रिसेप्शन इतना अच्छे से हो रहा है and we're getting such positive feedback, बहुत अच्छा लगता है and it's kind of reassuring.
Right. What about you?
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. लाइक आफ्टर आई थिंक होटल मुंबई दिस इज माय थिएट्रिकल रिलीज. तो काफ़ी वक्त हुआ और खुशी मिल रही है. मतलब लोगों को भी ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सब लोग बहुत अच्छी तारीफें कर रहे हैं. तो वो बढ़िया.
Yeah, the comments are amazing. Like, you're absolutely amazing in the trailer. They want to see more of it and the suspense is good. But वही दिन पे 2 suspense horror thriller हमें देखने मिल रहा है. Are you excited to see Kajol's film as well?
I actually really am because I love her so much as an actor. She's so amazing and she's like just I love watching her on screen. So I am very excited. I wish her all the best. And
have you seen the trailer?
I have, and it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's really, really cool. Definitely a film I would look forward to, and I hope she also wants to see my film.
Of course, ये
Our film.
मस्त मजा आएगा दोनों देखते हुए.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बहुत मजा आएगा. And honestly, I feel yes, एक दिन पर आ रही है film, but there's space for everyone. And हम ऐसे पहले फिल्म नहीं है जो कि एक साथ रिलीज हो रहे हैं. हर हफ्ते कोई ना कोई फिल्म आती है, कोई ना कोई क्लैश होता है. But that's a part and parcel of life, I feel. And I'm actually feeling मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि हमारी फिल्म काजोल के साथ आ रही है यार.
Right.
Like she's one of my favorite actors.
Amazing. We are looking forward to her response also to your film. But I am meeting you after your wedding to Zahir. How does it feel? ऐसे बोलते हैं कि शादी के बाद ना बदल जाते हैं लोग, या things change after marriage. Anything has changed for you?
Nothing at all. This is what I'm like wondering because लोग पहले इतना डरा देते ना, देखना सब बदल जाएगा ये वो. like कुछ नहीं बदला.
सब same.
कैसे ही डराते हैं लोग.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been as fun. It's been as amazing. We've been together now 8 years. And
wow.
Yeah,
years.
it's literally I still feel like he's my boyfriend only. ऐसा
How
कुछ बदला है नहीं.
And he's a fun guy. I know.
Yeah.
I've known him since his first film.
Yeah.
He is absolutely fun. आपके जो रील्स है, आपके जो वीडियोस है दोनों एक साथ में, वो इतने मजेदार है. इट इज सो मच फन.
Thank you.
बट हैज इट एवर हैपेंड
ये
दैट
बोलो मत, ये और करेगा फिर मुझे तंग.
वो मैं वही पूछने वाली थी. हैज इट एवर रीच्ड अ पॉइंट लाइक अब बस करो, ज्यादा हो गया करके?
वो बहुत तंग करता है यार मुझे. बट आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स लाइफ सो एंटरटेनिंग ऑल द टाइम, एंड मजा भी आता है. तो 2 मिनट के लिए चिढ़ जाती हूँ, फिर बहुत हंसते हैं हम लोग. So I think that's the beauty of it.
Right. But talking about the film now, it is a suspense film. It is, you have done drama, you have done action, you have done now this. What is more challenging as an actor? Which genre is more challenging as an actor for you?
I think action will always be the most challenging because it's physically very challenging and requires a lot out of you. Other than that, I'm actually quite comfortable with what really daunts me and what I feel very conscious to do is romance. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. So it's either action or romance, which is like really daunting and very scary.
But romance is
I don't know, मेरे को अजीब लगता है यार when you're not with a person to be romancing them. So I just get very conscious. So that is something that is very, very challenging for me. I've been a part of some romantic films, romantic comedies, all of that. Yeah, but मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है, और starting से ही आज तक.
जब you were doing दबंग, कभी ऐसे आपने बताया था सलमान को कि I'm very conscious?
He used to make me even more conscious because उनको जब पता चल जाता है ना that you're uncomfortable with something, he'll do more चुल.
उसके लिए उनका नाम भी चुलबुल था.
Yeah, actually, good one.
Good one, thank you. But for you, how was it working on Nikita Roy? For you also, it is something different that you have tried for the first time?
Yes, absolutely. Like this is the first time I've tried, like I've done a horror film. हॉरर सुपरनैचुरल थ्रिलर, जो भी हम सही से बोल रहे हैं, पर हम सब बता रहे हैं क्योंकि हम सच नहीं बताना चाहते. वो सस्पेंस है.
ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल
27th को
27 जून
See, I'm promoting your film always.
तो एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत कमाल रहा और कुछ में बहुत क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट है और लाइक सोनाक्षी मेड इट सो इजी फॉर मी क्योंकि अगर आपका को एक्टर बहुत अच्छा है उनको अपना काम आता है और वो बहुत सिक्योर है अपनी स्किन में तो आपका काम बहुत इजी हो जाता है एंड लाइक शी इज अ जेम टू वर्क विद सो आई हैव बीन रियली लकी तो बस ब्लेसिंग्स काउंट कर रहा हूँ मैं तो
But are you all fan of supernatural horror thriller films?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah?
देखती नहीं हूँ
Like मैं हॉरर फिल्म ज्यादा नहीं देखती मुझे डर लगता है मैं ऐसे 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 आंखें करके देखती हूँ एंड एक्चुअली एवर सिंस जहीर केम इनटू माय लाइफ आई हैव स्टॉप्ड वाचिंग क्योंकि जब हम साथ में देखते तो वो मुझे बीच बीच में डराता है वो भै भू कर देता है एंड आई गेट रियली स्टार्टल्ड
Okay.
तो हॉरर में कम देखती हूँ बट ऑफ कोर्स सस्पेंस थ्रिलर्स आई रियली लाइक वाचिंग you know all these investigative stories and stuff I thoroughly enjoy watching.
Which is your favorite film?
Genre?
Film.
Like ever?
Hmm.
Oh wow, that suddenly got thrown at me. My I really like this film called I Am Legend.
Okay. Oh,
Will
with
Smith
Will
ka the
Smith.
zombie
Yeah, with the
film.
dog.
Yeah, I don't know why. I can just watch it any number of times, and it's like what a performance, and it keeps you at the edge of your seat. It gives you those thrills and chills and startles you at the right places at the right time. It's a very exciting film. So that is definitely one of my favorite
I
films.
think a lot of people have forgotten about that film. You suddenly remind.
I can't
remember.
forget
Yeah,
about
that's
it. Like anytime it's on, like I just watch it. You know.
That's an amazing film. Yeah. What about you? Which has been your favorite?
या मेरा एक तो खौफ जो शो आया है प्राइम वीडियो पे है खौफ इज आई फील इट्स वन ऑफ द इट्स द बेस्ट हॉरर कंटेंट आउट ऑफ इंडिया लाइक कंटेंट कहना गलत होगा आई एम सो सॉरी इट्स फर्स्ट हॉरर एनीथिंग दैट हैज कम आउट ऑफ इंडिया इट्स सो गुड लाइक इट्स सो गुड आई लव्ड इट और एक यूरोपियन फिल्म है गुड नाइट मॉमी इट्स लाइक माइंड बॉगलिंग तो ये दोनों मेरे और मैं हॉरर का मुझे लाइक हॉरर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है तो आरजीवी की कौन उनकी रात भूत ये सब मुझे ये फिल्में बहुत पसंद है और आई थिंक रात के बाद खौफ एक ऐसा शो था जो मैंने देखा जिसने दिन में डरा दिया सो इट वाज
Wow.
डन रियली वेल
This is what I heard about the show that it's that good. तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं.
But you should watch them.
But
and then
I
you
really want to. I'm just mustering up the courage to watch it.
let Zahir go out and then you can peacefully watch it. That you can do that.
With him.
But working with your brother, is it challenging or it is?
It was actually surprisingly very smooth. You know, as siblings, you kind of sometimes have squabbles and all, but वो सेट पर बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. एक टाइम पे होता है वो आइसक्रीम की वजह से. हाँ, वही हाँ ये जो एक आइसक्रीम जो पिघल रही थी एंड उसको वो मुझे जो आइसक्रीम खानी थी कुछ को वो आइसक्रीम का कलर पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. तो हमारे उसमें बहस हो गई. मैं इमेजिन स्टूपिड थिंग्स.
I know.
एंड फिर वो आइसक्रीम यूज भी नहीं हुआ वो शॉट में. तो आ प्रॉब्लम वाज सॉल्व देयर एंड देन क्योंकि आइसक्रीम पिघलने लगा. तो आई वुड हैव थॉट कि ऐसे बहुत सारे स्क्वाबल्स होंगे बट नहीं हुए. इट वाज सरप्राइजिंगली वेरी वेरी स्मूथ. ही इज वेरी क्लियर इन हिज विजन. उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पर बहुत काम किया है. ही इज वर्कड अ लॉट ऑन इट एंड देन इवेंचुअली टू हैव मेड व्हाट ही मेड आई थिंक ही इज डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब एज अ यू नो एज अ डायरेक्टर. आई वोंट से एज अ फर्स्ट टाइमर. He has directed the film well. So that's great. I'm actually very happy and proud.
Well, it's so happy to see you, your brother now working together. When is the entire family coming together? Like, I think वो तो उस बहुत time से people have been asking you.
ये प्रेशर एक्टर पे मत डालो. ये डायरेक्टर जो है ना उसको बोलो बनाने वो बनाएगा.
But it will be fun to watch you,
Yeah.
your dad,
Absolutely, yeah.
both the brothers.
You know, people have been asking me about this for so long, but surprisingly, nothing that powerful has come along yet. You know, where me and my dad together would want to be a part of a film like that. And but yeah, I would love to. I mean, it would be such an honor to work with him.
But does he give you feedbacks on your films, on your work?
My
whatever?
father,
Yeah.
he's like my biggest fan. He love anything that I do. Like
How
sometimes,
sweet.
sometimes
How sweet.
I've
Yeah.
been a part of films that have not been that good, but he'll praise that also to the skies. I'm like, bas karo, papa.
But who is the biggest critics then?
Biggest critic is my mom. She lays it out how it is. Now Zahir, he's very in tune with the pulse of the audience, so he tells me when something's good it's good. When it's bad, it's bad. And I appreciate that. I like that. My friends, my closest friends, they don't mince words. ऐसे हाँ में हाँ मिलाने के लिए, ऐसे आपको बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलने के लिए नहीं, कभी नहीं बोलेंगे. So, and those are the kind of friends I like to have around me.
And that they keep you grounded also
Yeah, I
that
really
way, yeah.
appreciate that. So I have constant reality checks from life.
What about you? You have people like that in your friend circle,
मैं
in
खुद
your
हूँ,
family?
मैं अपना बिगेस्ट क्रिटिक हूँ.
क्यों? आप
पता
आपके
नहीं
काम
मुझे.
नहीं
नहीं मतलब आपको जब आप कोई चीज देख रहे होते हो अपना, लाइक अगर सपोज करो मैं आज कोई फिल्म शूट कर रहा हूँ, जब तक वो बाहर आएगी मैं अलग इंसान बन चुका हूँ, तो मेरी चॉइसेस उस टाइम पे अगर मैं लूंगा तो अलग होंगी. सो आई कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कि एज एन एक्टर आई वुड हैव यू नो मेड अ डिफरेंट चॉइस राइट नाउ अगर मैं ये रोल करता. और आई थिंक ये सब एक्टर्स के साथ है. तो हम लोग खुद अपने बहुत बड़े क्रिटिक होते हैं, और आसपास जो दोस्त हैं, लाइक इसीलिए वो दोस्त हैं कि वो सच बता सकते हैं. और मेरे सबसे बड़े चीयर लीडर तो मेरे पापा हैं. क्योंकि पापाज होते ऐसे हैं.
That's true.
इट्स अ पापा थिंग.
Papa thing, yeah.
वाह पुत्र. वो जो तूने स्क्रीन पे आके ये कर दिया ना.
But Sonakshi, have you ever sat back and seen your performance on screen and you felt कि नहीं यार मैं ये better कर सकती थी, या यहाँ पर I could have.
You know, many a time, yeah. It's an actor's thing to be very self-critical, I feel. क्योंकि आप कितने अलग नज़रिए से अपने आप को देख रहे हैं ना. What characters you're playing, आप वो actually हो नहीं. तो that critique comes very naturally to an actor. तो ऐसी कई चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने देखी and I felt that later on I could have probably played it differently or done it differently. Not that I regret doing anything. मैं हमेशा से कहती आ रही हूँ कि I'm a director's actor. तो जैसे मेरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझे कहा था करो, मैंने किया, you know, and it turned out according to his vision most of the times. So honestly, it's okay. That's how they want it, and as an actor, that is my job to deliver.
Which is that film that you saw?
Which I
and
felt I could have
yeah.
done differently. Right now, there are certain films which I felt I should not have done only.
अब she won't answer.
वो
I
मैं
know.
नहीं बताऊंगी आपको.
She won't answer. That's why I asked her
Yeah.
which film she
Let's-
thinks that.
Next question, please.
But any film that you wish you wouldn't have passed on, you can share that at least.
Yeah, there have been a few. But now I don't think I want to name them because अजीब से headlines बन जाते हैं next day. Interview से ना excerpt लेके लोग out of context लिख देते हैं, तो मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहती. But there have been certain films. अगर मैं एक फिल्म कर लेती तो हमारा साथ में डेब्यू नहीं, हमारा काम करना साथ में पहले ही बन जाता. Yeah, you know which one I'm talking about? Yeah.
उतना
Oh,
बोल दिया
fab.
एक दूसरे को, मुझे भी बता दो. Why you keeping me in
नहीं, हम
suspense?
नहीं बताएंगे. आप ढूंढो ना. Investigative journalism करो
हे
आप.
भगवान. चलो, I'll find that out and I will put it out. But the way now you look at scripts, the way that things come to you, has after marriage, does that change that how you want to take up work
Oh,
or no?
marriage has not affected the kind of scripts that are coming to me. But yes, the kind of work that I take up, yes, has changed. Right now I make a lot more time for myself and for my family. Then actually that had happened a while back because you know, after a point you realize that आप और कैसे grow कर रहे हो. You know, you have to have certain experiences that are outside of work that kind of help you grow as a person. My professional growth was anyway happening at work. I was very happy with the kind of work I'm doing. I'm still, like, I feel I'm in a very good place where I'm able to do the kind of work that I want to do. But personally, आपका growth होता है off screen, I feel. So I make a lot more time for that now. अभी मैंने 2 पिक्चरें shoot कर ली, अभी मैं छुट्टी करूँगी.
Oh,
you know, so you have to keep that balance.
Yeah, and it is difficult in today's time at least to balance.
No, but you have to
work.
consciously make that effort, I feel. And I've started doing that a lot more than before. Yeah.
What are the 2 films that you have worked on? Can you share anything
Yeah, of course.
on that?
I've done one I can share. One I've done a Telugu film called Jatadhara, which should release sometime this year. That will be my second theatrical this year. Very excited. Again, very different for me. And another film which I can't talk about right now, but also a very different role. Yeah.
You know, in the beginning of the interview, you mentioned this is your first theatrical after a very long
Yeah.
time.
Dahad and Hira Mandi were last.
last
So
yeah
like,
on
those-
OTT I was just
those
coming to
साल हो
that
गए? हाँ,
हाँ 23-24
Yeah,
में ऐसे
yeah,
एक साल में आए थे
yeah.
we have missed you in that space
Yeah.
Hira Mandi was a brilliant series that
Thank you.
and I think second part is also
Yeah.
how does that feel when Dahad was amazing Hira Mandi did really well for you how does that feel and people have accepted you even on OTT
Feels amazing. No, I'm truly fortunate that I got such good roles, on my first outing, which was Dahad, and second, which was Hira Mandi, and they clicked so well with the audience. मुझे वो characters play करने में इतना मजा आया. It was so refreshing for me. It was completely different. And in fact, Dahad जब आई थी तभी तो I was very fried with the kind of scripts that were coming to me. सब same. I was like कुछ अलग करो यार. I mean, I have so much more to offer as an actor. Directors need to kind of utilize that and really tap into my potential, and that's when Dahad came to me. So it was like it hit me like a truck. I was like so mind blown that I was suddenly very excited about being on set again. वो कभी-कभी बोर हो जाते हो, that बोरियत comes in. But with Dahad, things just completely
but
changed.
post that did everything change for you the way scripts started coming to you
Absolutely. People started looking at me in a very different light, and I appreciate that when directors, and in fact, I'm always going to be thankful to Reema. At that point in my career, when I was really looking, for someone to visualize me differently, she did that, and that's how Dahad happened. So,
I loved Dahad.
Yeah,
it was
it's amazing.
I think it was left open-ended. I forgot
season
now.
2 is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There. Very good. Chalo, this is
Okay, but
too
yeah,
difficult,
season 2
but
is coming,
yes,
so.
we are excited. This year or it's going to come next year?
They're writing it still, so we'll
what
probably
time?
start
Time
shooting
हो जाएगा.
end of the year or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. So, Nakshi, tell me one myth about marriage that got busted after you got
That
married.
things are completely different and सब बदल जाता है and all that nonsense.
That's it? और कोई ऐसा कुछ myth नहीं है?
क्या
ये शादी नहीं हुई है तो मेरे को बता दो तो
क्या myth?
पता नहीं होते
I
बहुत सारे
highly recommend it. I don't know why everybody is like so like against marriage and like they're so jaded.
हाँ?
No, I'm pro marriage, but
Yeah.
जो कर रहा है उसे करनी
करने
चाहिए.
Yeah, I highly recommend it. It's amazing.
Amazing. Finally, I have 2-3 questions more for you all. Kajol ma'am, I was recently talking to her because her daughter is a teen now, and again she is in the limelight, and she's always captured wherever she's going. And then when I asked her, ki, how does she manage to keep her safe, and she said कि I tell her आप 5% जो नेगेटिव बात करते हो उसके ऊपर ध्यान मत देना, but 500 people are talking good about you. Just focus on that. Do you also walk with that mentality when it comes to negativity
Absolutely. You
around
have
you?
to. You really have to. वरना आप पागल हो जाओगे. So it's very important to focus on the positives rather than negatives. In fact, I to feel ignore the negatives only. Only until absolutely necessary, when somebody's crossed a line or whatever. But otherwise, it's very easy to ignore, I feel. Yeah.
But do you think people forget that you all are humans as well? Actors are humans
Yeah, they
as
do.
well.
They do. And it's not that people are so frustrated in life in general, they're so unhappy with their own lives. Imagine how much would it take you to go to somebody's profile, open it, go and type a nasty comment and leave it there. Like, you have to be really unhappy in your life to be able to do that. Yeah. So, I mean, what can you do?
But has that made you fearless now, or you're just...
That is not something that defines me or makes me who I am. It's the unfortunate byproduct of social media, which has become a monster right now, and it's something that won't change until we make a change. Yeah.
You also believe the same thing? What is your opinion about social media trolling?
यार अब हैं लोग बोल रहे हैं तो बोलेंगे ही, मतलब उस पर कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Because I think a lot of people, they think if they are saying something online, so they are anonymous, they can't be tracked. So people just say whatever they want to. तो मैं तो ना पॉजिटिविटी से इतना इफेक्ट होता हूँ, ना मैं नेगेटिविटी से इफेक्ट होता हूँ. मैं आने ही नहीं देता अपने ना कॉम्प्लीमेंट ना क्रिटिक, ज़्यादा क्लोज आने ही नहीं देता. एकदम से आपको लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग, सो आई विल रिएक्ट टू समथिंग, लाइक आई एम सेंसिटिव टू थिंग्स, बट इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
No, I was very very affected once, and उसके बाद से I have switched off my comment section because I can't take it. I'm very sensitive. I can't take it. Yeah.
आपने कभी मेरा सोशल मीडिया देखा? मैं मीम्स बहुत शेयर करता हूँ, तो मैं खुद को और समाज को इतना ट्रोल कर रहा होता हूँ कि
So no one.
कि फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि ठीक है.
No, but it really affects your mental health. Yeah. But do you and Zahir also discuss all this matters when it
Yeah,
comes
of course,
to
we discuss everything.
what is his
He's actually a very, very positive person. In fact, if I'm feeling not so nice by looking at something, he'll always know how to change my mood. So, yeah, he is.
He's a
अच्छा,
Saji.
ये भी है. Yeah, my dad also.
Other people in your
Yeah, my dad also.
Oh.
Yeah, so they also.
बहुत जमती होगी फिर डैड
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. And in fact, I'm surrounded by a lot of
Sadness,
positivity, so it just really works in my favor.
That's amazing. Also, there's this chatter now about working hours, the industry, new thing that 8-hour shift and stuff. How do you take it? What is your?
I'm all for it. No, I'm honestly like I don't even know if it's true or not, but if it is, it's a very fair reason. And I've worked with actors who don't work beyond 8 hours, so I don't see why it should be any different for a female actor as well. And yeah, I'm okay with it. It also depends on the requirement of the project and all. You can schedule it in a way where you accommodate those hours. There's a lot of other things to shoot with other people which you can finish off in that same period of time. I think it's very achievable. And also as some, like, I've been working for 15 years. There have been other actors who have worked lesser than me, longer than me. That's fine. But like, you do need time for yourself beyond the shoot as well. Today, if I'm doing a film where I'm required to be extremely fit, I need those 2 hours to go to the gym. Where if you put me on set for 12 to 14 hours, I won't be able to do. So you have to accommodate according to the requirement of the project. If I don't need to do that, I'll give you 12 hours happily. I'll give you 10 hours happily. But where it's not required, then I'm sure adjustments can be made.
Do you have anything to say on this?
I absolutely agree with her. Or I have worked in an international film, Hotel Mumbai, and I have realized there कि संडे को काम नहीं करते. और मैंने कहा कि पर ये तो फिल्म है, हम तो होली पे भी शूट करते हैं. तो मतलब थोड़ा अगर डेकोरम आएगा तो इट्स गुड, एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर अस, बिकॉज लाइक एक्टर्स फिर भी वहाँ पे 12 घंटे के लिए जाते हैं. जो लाइट बॉयज होते हैं, जो सेटिंग वाले लोग होते हैं, वो इतनी देर, लाइक 15 16 घंटे दे आर ऑन सेट. सो लाइक लेट्स बी ह्यूमन. कि थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं ना, इंसान को इंसान होने की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. सो दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. और मैं इससे मतलब मैं आई वॉन्ट टू यूज योर प्लेटफॉर्म टू से दिस, विच आई हैव ऑलवेज फेल्ट दैट whenever I'm on a set, I have seen there are 2 eating areas. One is called catering A, one is called catering B. A is for actors and HODs and everyone, and B is for light boys, and I have never liked it. And I think अगर शिफ्ट टाइमिंग्स चेंज हो रहे हैं तो ये भी चेंज होना चाहिए कि खाने की स्पेस एक ही हो, सबकी हो, हम सब मिल के फिल्म बना रहे हैं, किसी एक इंसान से फिल्म नहीं बन रही.
It's a collaborative
Always it's a unit.
work. Yeah. So Nakshi, finally for you, people are waiting to see you, Salman together. When is that happening? Did you all discuss, or do you ever go to him for decisions, career decisions, basically? Or have you ever discussed?
Really. I mean, we've discussed films after they've happened.
Okay.
But yeah, the decisions have always been mine. And I don't know. I mean, I don't know what's happening on that front. He would be the best person to ask.
But it's been long that we have not. Dabang 3 was
Dabang 3 was the last.
Yeah.
You'll have to ask him now when 4 is happening.
I will. But
This I can't tell you.
Any other actor that you want to join force with and come up? Because it's been long we have seen you with.
Hrithik Roshan is someone who I would really love to work with. I think he's a fantastic actor, and I've really been a fan of his work for the longest time. So yeah, I would love to collaborate with him on something. Amir is someone who I would love to work with. I think the kind of films he makes are amazing. They have so much meaning, and they're so good. I would love to work with him. Yeah, I really want to work with Vidya Balan again. I
Yeah,
loved
Mission
working
Mangal
with
was
her.
nice,
She's
yeah.
fantastic. What positive energy all the time, you know, to have around you, and what a fine actor. She's also one of my favorites. Yeah.
Super. We'll manifest that for you.
Please
that it
do.
happens soon.
Yeah.
And when it happens, you're giving us party.
Absolutely.
Done.
Done hai.
ठीक है. On a final note, what would you like to say to the audience for Nikita Roy?
It's releasing on 27th of June, so please go and watch it in the theaters. I'm very excited that our film is coming in the theaters after so long. And yeah, if you love the trailer, and I'm pretty sure it's going to excite you and thrill you the same way, so go and watch it.
Would you like
27
to say
June.
anything?
I'll say the same thing. Our film is coming on 27 June in cinemas. So please go and watch it. जाओ, जाके बहुत मजा आएगा. थोड़ा डरोगे भी, और मजा बहुत आएगा. So please go and watch it.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you as always and looking forward to it.
Definitely.